So like I mentioned, we are able to board horses for our rodeo club members, our rodeo team athletes, as well as individuals that are wanting to participate in ranch horse club and things like that. We have about 75 available spots for horse boarding. Priority is given to those members on the rodeo team, and then we kind of work down the list. I'll just show you a quick video of our Equine Center horse boarding facilities for the Rodeo Club members. So this is the Rodeo Club barn. These are the pens, some of the pens that you'll see that house the horses. You can kind of see the arena in the background there. It's all group penning. There's no individual pens. So these bigger pens house between 4 and 5 horses. Not all of them have sheds, but majority of them will have a shed, like watering bowls. Hay is provided in your horse board. Students are responsible for feeding their horses morning and night. This video was taken, I think this summer we took this video, and you can kind of see the different pen layouts that we have. So these pens are 2 horses max in the smaller ones here. And then the bigger ones are anywhere from 3 horses to 4 to 5 horses. And then we have a couple larger group penning pens as well. They house between anywhere in 5 and 6. Second side of the alley. So yeah, you'll kind of be penned up with different, always geldings are with geldings, mares are with mares. If an individual comes with 2 horses, I try and put them in a pen by themselves, just the 2. Kind of depends. You kind of have a look at what the horse boarding here on campus looks like. You can see our dairy learning facility in the background. Lots of here is inside the Rodeo Club barn, so you're able to either just have an outdoor pen or have a box stall and an outdoor pen, or a tie stall and an outdoor pen. So a few different options there. So yeah, I think the biggest thing is I'll just take some questions. If anyone has any questions, just pop them in the chat box there, and I'll be sure to answer the best as I can. We did just have our Fall Classic Rodeo here on the weekend. It was a wonderful turnout. It was our first rodeo back since 2019, so everyone was excited to get back in the arena. We had record number of entries and went over very good. Our team is headed to Olds this weekend for their rodeo, so we're looking forward to that. So first question is, what does the Rodeo Club all include? So we have there's 2 different, so you know, the Rodeo Club, which is includes all members of the rodeo team, as well as any individuals that just want to come and practice or learn new events, help out with putting on our rodeo and our jackpots and fun events like that. But they don't want to be a competing member. So we have a small Rodeo Club fee that just allows to offset some of the costs with our practice cattle and things like that and other coaches. And then in order to board at the campus, you need to be a member of the Rodeo Club. And so that's just kind of helping out whenever you can. So that's kind of the main difference between the Rodeo Club and Rodeo Team. The Rodeo Team are members that will be competing at the college rodeo level. Like this year for our Rodeo Club member fee, it was $50 for the year, very reasonable. Basically, that just kind of covers off, like I said, the stock charge if they come to timed event practices and things like that. And then just money to put towards our club in general. So you do not have to have any rodeo experience to join. We take all members. If you're just wanting to, you know, be involved, help putting on our rodeos. We had a lot of individuals who don't compete, don't even have a horse on campus, but just wanted to be a part of it. So they help out with, you know, pushing cattle up or running the doors or just volunteering in every different way at our rodeo events. And then a lot of people just want to be a part and come to practice and, you know, working with the cattle or wanting to learn, you know, how to rope or things like that. So yeah, no experience is necessary. Anyone can join our rodeo club. Thank you for the questions. So our horse boarding, I know it's gonna be a question that we get asked a lot. Our horse boarding is very reasonable at the campus. This year, the price does change each and every year, but it's approximately $750 for an outdoor pen for the semester. So that's 4 months board. With a tie stall, it's $850, and with a box stall, it's $950. So when you pay for a tie stall or a box stall, you also get access to that Rodeo Club barn to have tack inside in that barn and use that facility as well. So we get that question asked a lot. So just so, and one thing for horse boarding, June 30th is our application deadline. Applications can be found on the website. We don't have the new one just up there yet, but in the new year, the new application will be present and you can get that filled out and sent in, because that is one thing that fills up quite fast. So June 30th is our deadline for that. This year, our rodeo club is probably the biggest it's been in quite a few years. We have just shy of 75 members in our rodeo club and about 62 competing members. So quite a big group here this year. It's exciting. Everyone's excited to get back at it and in the arena. We've been practicing, like I said, 4 nights a week. 2 nights of the week are our timed event practices. We have 1 night of girls practice, which is the barrel racing and pole bending, that we bring in Rusty Woodward for coaching. Girls are pretty lucky for that. And then 1 night a week, we have our rough stock practices. And the same thing, we try and bring in, bronc rider or bull rider or bareback rider to kind of help you guys, help the rough stock guys out. So we've been lucky enough to have those going at once a week here since the beginning of September. So it's been nice to see. Very active arena. You can always find something going on in the Equine Center, that's for sure. I'm going to put my contact information in the chat. So if anyone has, questions later on in regards to horse boarding here at the campus or the rodeo club, be sure to reach out. I can be reached on my cell phone or email. Okay, well, I'd like to thank everyone for joining. If there's no other questions, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and are getting in on lots of the sessions. Looking forward to talking with any of you guys. If you have any questions at all, please be sure to reach out and have a good rest of your day. Thank you.